Dunkeld Hermitage Centre again. Well, I'm here in Dunkeld. I'm at the opposite side of the waterfall, so I'm going to get a better shot this time, or a different shot. I need to stop looking at that camera, just keep looking at the camera. I'll turn it around and let you see it. Ooh, where's the, there we go. So the shot I'm looking at is it's after the waterfalls here, up into the visitor centre bit there, the wee Hall of Mirrors I think they call that. And then there's another waterfall up there, and I'll see if I can get something out of that. So from this wee shot, I'm going to use these wee puddles here as a leading line up to the Hermitage strip. So I'm at f14, 0.33 per second, ISO 50. And we'll see how it turns out. Right, we're back again. So I've moved forward a wee bit. I've got another big puddle here. I'll just focusing on. Then I'll focus on the waterfall, and then I'll focus on the wee Hermitage Centre.
Right, quick question, Les. The top of the waterfall's all bright compared to the rest of it, so how would you slope that?
Kind of slope that? Well, first bit I'm saying, if you want to look in the camera there, I'm taking the foreground first, or the foreground there, the grass, so I'm exposing for that first, and then I'm exposed for the rest of the wee waterfall because I want a bit of movement in it. In the third shot I'll focus here on the bright bit, and I'll move the shutter speed right up, so as you can see there, it's more in focus that wee bit. It's a wee bit, it's not as bright, it's not blowing out anymore. And then I'll just blend them all in Photoshop. And she'll get a nice neat even image.
Brilliant.
Second stop, the Dunkeld of Aberfeldy. Isn't that right, Anne? Let's see what this has got. Alright, Bob. How are you doing? Wait, we'll try to work out the settings. Let's see mine. I will go ISO 400, 20th of a second, f14. You should be alright with that. But a wee bit of paper there if you want to write that down, in case you forget. Okay? See you later, Bob. Might get you in the way down. Right, so this is the Dunkeld of Aberfeldy. I'm just making my way up to the top waterfall. But I'm just stopping this first one. See if I can get a shot. So I'll set it up portrait. I've got an not an ND filter, polarising filter on. bit of glare there right enough. So I've got, this is the shot it's going to be. The waterfall down to the rocks, so I'm focusing first. I'm going to focus first on this rock here, 2, 3, and then the waterfall for 4. The 4 image stack. And if that works out, I'm at F18 and 5th of a second. ISO is 50. This is a nice wee waterfall. It goes all the way up there, as we can see. We'll see if I can try and catch some of that in an image, maybe a portrait. We shall see. This is the first big waterfall, and I'm going to focus here. I'll focus on this rock sticking up, and I'll focus up the back rock sticking up. But I'll need to make my exposure a bit higher. So I'm at F11, 3.2 a second, ISO is 50. Now I'm going to put my polarizer on, and if you see the difference when I film it, you'll see the water, the glare going off the water, and you can see the bottom of the water. I'll take that picture, like that. Hi. Now I go up to the next rock, and I put my exposure up, shutter speed, up a bit. Up, and 1. There we go. Now up to the back rock, up the top there. So it's just a free stack, but I need my exposure up a bit more because of the trees. So we're at 4th second, F11, ISO 50, and we'll blend them. I think that'll be about light. We'll blend them in Photoshop, hopefully we'll get a good picture. Keep on there. Well, for this image, I've come up the hill, steps, stairs, whatever you might call them, and I'm taking this picture. So, first part I'm going to focus on the top of the bridge here, and then the bottom of the bridge, then at the small waterfall, and then the rock in the foreground. I'm at F16, 5th of a second, ISO 50.